Hey guys, Sam here. So here we are. We're finally going to build our periodic table display. Here I've got the wooden shelves that we'll be putting the vials in. We'll be drilling holes in them. These are the screws that we're going to be using to nail them into the wall. Here we've got some drill bits. Here we've got a drill. An angle drill guide, and that is a level, and it's also a ruler. How handy. And then here I have my design. You see it's a bit different from the periodic table you're normally used to. Instead of chemical properties, it's more based on just electronic structure. And then I've got a pencil here to mark
where we're going to drill the holes.
True. Here I've got a sample vial, just for reference. It's 46. This is the one for palladium, but I don't have that one yet. But, you know, this is just like the vial for when I do have that. It's just a random example. Let's get started. We went ahead and did the measurements, so now Dad's got the drill out, and we're going to drill the holes to put the vials in.
There we go.
Here we go. Is that good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Oh, that's an obnoxious noise.
Yeah. I thought this might have.
Ooh. Oh boy.
Relax. All right, so the battery, let me just pop out this battery. Just a little.
Okay.
A little. Let's try it again.
Okay.
That's weird.
Huh? Oh, huh.
That's really weird.
I know.
Yeah. We'll get it, Sam. Don't worry.
Yeah, I know we will.
You know.
Oh! Oh, yes.
Wait, that's got a kick. Okay.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. No. Okay, what happened right there? Something came loose. Oh! Okay then. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna have to hand crank that off. I don't know why that did that. That's very strange.
Oh, this sucks.
Yeah, well, this is a cheap little device. They're not very good, obviously.
No. We'll try our best, though.
I really thought this one would work better. Okay. What I need. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay. You know what? something about my leverage here. Oh, shoot. Is that what happened? Oh, no.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
what happened.
Oh.
I went too far through.
Oh,
Okay,
no. Ooh.
Okay. Well,
That's
okay.
okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to see that.
No.
It's gonna be
Just
on the
a teeny little hole.
That's the first one anyway, right? So
True.
now it should come out. Let's see. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay.
Awesome. Yep, I got that first one done. So.
All right. So this is going to be an interesting process.
I know.
It takes this long.
I know.
Let me just
clean out all the little shavings. Oh. Oh, yeah.
All right. So let's see what that looks like. What do you think of that?
That's okay. Yeah, I actually think that's a okay fit.
Would you rather do small? I think this is too small.
Yeah, I think this is about
that okay? And then that way it's easy.
Yes.
Because my fear is if it's too tight, it'll break.
Yeah.
Or it'll get. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think that's.
I think you want a little bit of play.
Yeah, it's about the optimal size.
Okay, then we're good. We got the right bit at least.
Mm-hmm. Oh, boy.
So how are we gonna do this going forward? That's, you know what? What do you say I just wing it?
Wing it?
Instead of using the guide.
Okay.
Because look, if there's a little bit of play anyway, what does it matter?
I know.
Am I right?
It's true.
Do you want me to use that guide and get it as straight as I can, or do you think I could do a pretty good job just going down like that?
You could try just going down.
Okay. Let's see what we get. Boy, that's all over the place. I don't like the way that looks. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do.
Oh.
We're gonna do it slow, and we're gonna do it right.
Okay.
And that's just the way it's gonna be.
This is a lot to film.
Yeah,
I'm probably gonna skip past all this.
I'd turn it off for now.
Yeah. Alright, so my dad drilled a couple more holes in here, but he's kind of getting worn out, so we'll do some more tomorrow. But the vials fit in pretty nicely. Yeah. Pretty nice.
A little work there to be
Easily
done.
pull them out.
We'll get it.
Like that. Alright, so that was it for the first episode of the actual display. See you later. Bye.